Can we draw some parallels? Let's say that the life of Makkah versus Medina, the people who are directly involved in a conflict are persecuted in the conflict versus people who are watching from a distance. Because in Medina, it's more kind of like an already established government by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And in Makkah, they were kind of, I would say, the persecuted people.
So definitely you can see an immediate difference between the way they approached it. And I really like what Dr. Saab mentioned about the sense of helplessness versus the ability to do something. And that's a clear distinction you notice between the Meccan and the Medinan phase. Because when you look at the verses that were revealed during the 13 years, it was constantly reminding them, be patient, be considerate, be forgiving, make sure you do not stir much controversy. And that's why the response was much more tepid and much more limited. When they now migrate to Medina, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, you have the physical ability to stand up for your rights. You have the ability to now voice your concerns, whether it's physically or whether it's politically. And I think for us, the lesson in that is the way we respond to global wars will not be one size fits all. For some people, they can be involved politically and try to bring about a change. For other people, they can be involved in forms of boycott, divestment, sanctions. That's for them. For other people, they're so unable to do anything, the least that they can do is dua. And I think the Meccan phase versus the Medinan phase really highlights this, because when the people were in Mecca, they didn't have that physical ability to stand up for their rights. In fact, they couldn't even voice their concerns.
Exactly.